Hello everybody and happy Halloween! Well, Halloween is not today, but it's only a few weeks away. Vocês sabiam? Faltam só poucas semanas para o Halloween. I prepared something very special just for you. In this bag, you will find 3 Halloween activities that are very easy to make. Let's take a look. So now I want you to get your bag and open it up with me. Vamos abrir junto? There's a white paper cup, and inside you will find a little plastic bag with some googly eyes and a piece of string. There's also a white piece of paper. And what is this? A toilet paper roll. Yes, we could do this, but that's not what we're going to do. Just leave it on the table. There's an orange piece of paper. There's another plastic bag with some black paper pieces inside. And you will also find 2 pieces of color paper and another plastic bag with some paper inside. Okay, now you will also need some markers, glue, okay? You could either use this one or this, it doesn't matter, and some scissors. So let's prepare the trick-or-treat bag. Get your orange paper, and in your plastic bag you will find 1 mouth, 1 nose, and 2 eyes for your jack-o'-lantern. And now I'm going to glue it here on my piece of paper. Now, you might have different eyes and nose and mouth, okay? Talvez o de vocês seja diferente do meu, mas não tem problema. Go ahead and place it on the paper the way you want your jack-o'-lantern to be. Então, antes de colar, vocês vão colocar no seu papel para ver se está do jeito que você quer, ok? And look, olha como fica diferente. I made a sad one, but like this, it's a happy jack-o'-lantern. So go ahead, get your glue, and glue it on the paper. My nose is a triangle. You might have a circle or even a square. And here it is. Fold your paper bag on a table like this. Put some glue on the back. And glue it on your bag like this. Press it down. And your trick-or-treat bag is ready. Now for the toilet paper roll, we are going to use these colored papers, glue, scissors, and you might want to draw something, so get some markers, okay? And open up your bag and you will find a mouth, some teeth, and some eyes. Now, you don't have to use all of this, okay? You can choose what you want to use. Então você vai escolher o que você quer usar. Any idea? What do you think this will be? Alguém adivinha o que vai ser isso? That's right, it's a monster. So first we are going to start putting some glue on this piece of paper. So go ahead and put some glue all over your paper. And now that you have glue on your paper, you're going to position your toilet paper roll on top like this. See? And now I'm going to start to roll it over. Vai rolando o seu papel. And now you have to hold, and I'll hold over here to glue. Então segura um pouquinho, espera essa cola secar um pouco. The first part of your monster is ready. Now it's time to make your monster's face, okay? Go ahead and choose how many eyes do you want for your monster. We have some big eyes like this, and you have some small eyes as well. I'm going to make one big and one small. So I'm gonna get a black marker and I'm going to draw it over here, like this, see? And I'm gonna get a small eye as well, and I'm going to draw. So now I have my 2 eyes. I'm not gonna use the others, but you can make a monster with 5 eyes, a monster with 3 eyes. And I'm going to put some glue on the back of my eye. Now it's time to choose if you want to put a mouth like this, or if you want to put some teeth, or you could get your scissors and you can use the mouth and the teeth. And this is what I'm going to do. So I'm going to put the mouth. So here's the mouth. And I'm going to add some teeth. Como eu também quero colocar os dentes, I'm going to cut. I'm going to cut this. And I'm going to glue it over. Okay, so this is what I made. Now, with your other piece of paper, you can make some horns or hair. Agora esse pedaço você pode fazer chifre, você pode fazer cabelo. So go ahead, get your scissors and cut whatever you want. I'm gonna make some horns. I have cut 2 triangles and I'm going to glue them up here. My little monster is ready. Now, if you want, you could also get a marker to draw something. I'm going to make some eyebrows. You could make a nose if you want. I'm gonna make eyebrows. And I'm gonna make a nose. Okay, it's up to you. It's your monster. You can do whatever you want. Okay, so this is the monster that I just made. And the other day I made another one, and look how different it is. See? I made some hair for this one. I put these big teeth, okay? So you can do your monster any way you want. And finally, for our last craft, we are going to use the paper cup, the googly eyes and string, and the white piece of paper. Now you will also need glue, scissors, and some markers. Any ideas on what this is? Quem adivinha o que será isso? That's right, we are making a ghost. So you can start drawing a face on your ghost, okay? I'm going to make a mouth. I'm going to use a black marker, but you can use any color you want. I'm going to make a big mouth over here like this. And I'm going to color inside. So this is the mouth. And now for the eyes, I'm going to glue the googly eyes, okay? Ah, look how nice it is. Now get your piece of paper, and if you want, you can color, you can draw on it. I'm just going to cut some zigzags, okay? So I'm going to cut some triangles over here like this. Okay, so now that I have this, and now we're going to cut some lines and we're going to stop before we reach the other side of the paper. Agora, quando você for cortar, você não pode chegar até ali o fim do papel, tá? Então, eu vou cortar aqui um pouco e vou mostrar pra vocês. Okay? You're going to cut a little bit and stop. See? Like this. Precisa sobrar um espaço aqui para colocar a cola. Okay, so this is what I have. Estão vendo? Então eu não cortei até a parte de cima. And I'm going to put some glue here, because look what we're going to do. A gente vai fazer assim e a gente vai colar aqui dentro do copo. We're going to glue inside the paper cup, okay? But before you do this, you might need to ask your mom or your dad to help you out, because we need to make some holes on the top. Precisa fazer uns furos aqui em cima para prender o barbante. So we're going to use the string to hang the ghost. So I'm just going to make 2 holes up here. So ask for help. Peça ajuda para algum adulto para fazer os 2 furos. And I'm going to put my string in here. Now tie a knot. We're going to tie a knot over here. And now look, this is what you have. You can hold your ghost, and all we have to do is glue this inside the paper cup, okay? So let's put some glue. You can either put glue here on your paper or glue inside your paper cup, okay? So I have glue here. I'm going to turn it over like this, and I'm going to put my paper cup like this and glue this inside. Okay, press your paper and wait for the glue to dry, and then you can play with your ghost. Agora é só esperar a cola secar e você pode brincar com seu fantasma. So guys, did you like it? Gostaram de fazer essas atividades? I can't wait to see your little monster, your ghost and your trick or treat bag. Essa sacola tá vazia. There's nothing inside. Mas eu ainda vou preparar uma surpresa que vocês vão colocar aqui dentro. Então não deixem de me mostrar tudo que vocês fizeram, tá bom? Bye!